And good afternoon. Yeah, where does time go? Anyways, this morning's been busy, and just now getting to lunch. Hello, Ravioli Ken. We're not gonna have issues, are we? That's what I thought. Anyways, did an hour's worth of work this morning before I even came into work at home while I worked on their computer, which I gotta check on. And let's see the other stuff. Stopped for breakfast at a gas station, picked up some donuts and milk. Good breakfast. Other than that, just spent most of the morning fighting with Active Directory. That's always fun. But on the bright side, I think I'll be getting off by 3:30. Well, finally started the weekend. It's been a long week. I found out that Microsoft did refund my money back, like real quickly. It was like a day after it actually happened, but it took a long time for it to show up on the books. And so yeah, all that money I had to spend like over the weekend with Kyoko and stuff was that $125, so it didn't last very long. Anyways, it's 3:40. Should be getting back home around 4:40ish. So that'll give me a little bit of time to, spend some time with my wife before we go gaming over at John's place. Work. There you go. Hi, puppy. The laser has its power. Power returns. Go on.
She had a dumbbell. Watch the cat. It's right there.
Pissy kitty, go away. Go on. Out. 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 Out.
Every time Kate ran past, she would stick out her paw like ready to bat her in the face. See?
I feel a puppy tail.
It's one happy puppy.
Yeah.
Daddy back.
Did you miss me? Aw. I'm loved.
The way the dog was acting like, I mean, seriously, you're her whole world. She was so depressed last night. She barely moved off the couch. She didn't even chase the laser pointer last night. That's how depressed she was.
Oh, were you depressed, Katie?
Yes, she missed you. I wasn't enough. I'm not daddy. I'm not enough.
Maybe if you start hunting, she'll love you more.
She doesn't go hunting.
But I take her rabbit tracking.
Oh, she's going.
Yeah, that's enough. We are at Wendy's. Food.
Hi there.
Hello.
Here you are.
All right.
Do that.
Take that.
And then your Coke.
Thank
You guys enjoy your night. Thank you. Can you pull into the parking spot so we can get situated and make sure we got the correct food?
Yeah. I'll just pull up. No one's behind me. We will inspect their job. Okay, I see baked potato. Is this right one? Yes, this is right one. Yes. And then in here, we have a little chicken sandwich, Asiago ranch, and french fries. So, keep that one. Ow.
Sorry, let me scratch you.
Sorry. Anyways, off to John's.
John.
So apparently there is a ringneck rally this way. The way we normally take to get to John's house. And I am very, very curious on what it is. Because I love pheasants. Oh. and I just hope it tells us to go right. Not left.
Yes, his wife is feeding him fries. What was the point of that?
We're going faster and faster and deeper and deeper and deeper.
That's not funny. Slow down. Seriously.
No, I didn't put my foot on the gas at all. That's gravity.
We're going 55 now. And we're going 60. Why is a Walmart truck back here?
Magnetic Rally.
Oh, look at that. Right there.
What? What?
It was right there.
I know, but what is it?
I know. It's someone with the Walmart truck. And a tent.
What is it?
You want to turn around and take a look?
We do have time.
Real quick. You have time for one question. And one question only.
My cars. My car is off-roading. No one is here though. I don't get it.
See? Walmart. That's a Walmart truck.
I don't. Hang on. What? There has to be. Quit trying to shut me up.
It's so much fun to be seeing.
Get more and more people every day.
Access denied. So you must have higher clearance in order to access this information.
Oh, there we
Wasn't
go.
he like in Lord Vader?
I
at one
just
point?
sold a blaster for
Yeah,
5,000
you gotta get
credits.
40
You
something
could
like
wield-
incredibly
You
high.
could wield like these weapons
Can we determine
with,
how high we need to
one
actually get?
And so here we are.
Back again.
Back it. Market. It's your fault, Market.
See that?
Anyways. Dog.
Dog?
Find the dog. Find the dog. Uh-oh, what's this?
That is an awesome hat.
What, Tweety?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have to disagree.
Why? It's Tweety. Tweety. I wouldn't go for it. It's awesome. It's a
Kitty.
giraffe. Cat eye.
Okay, I will give it to them. Like, some of the people who work here, they got good taste. Welcome back, Stout. Yay, I am Stout. My tea's cheap, except it's expensive. Well, remember, you can get 1/6 less
Yeah.
ease.
I'm not a fan of this, but that is
Looks like crap.
But feel the inside. Feel the inside.
Yeah, that feels nice. Well, we'll just have to get you another one like that.
Nah.
Bush Light. Mary. Why did she do this to me? She dumped me off here in the hunting section, and she knows I want this. I have the money right now, but it's technically reserved for other stuff. So the question is where are we gonna get that money? I don't know. When does school start? Huh. Anyways, I want badly. Really want. And yeah, of course, I got everything else here under the sun now. I'm not even gonna have ammo after a while. Paychecks or the damn bills are draining me. Oh, she missed it.
What? Oh, you threw something at me?
Yes. Boink.
I'm tired. Stop it.
All right, I'll stop.
Drop it.
I love you guys so much. That's why I drop you in soft stuff. I don't throw you on concrete like Corey does.
Ready?
Yep. There she goes.
And the way back. How was that?
That was fun.
Wow, that really brightens up things.
Thirsty dog is thirsty.
All that man? Yeah.
I got ice cream. Spoon. Spoon. Wash this spoon. Make it nice and clean. Clean, clean, clean. Everyone likes a clean spoon. And now, we'll put the ice cream back unless my wife wants some more.
I'm good.
You're good?
I think I shouldn't have any more.
Ice cream is so nom-tastic. Stay closed. Stay closed, you darn thing. And then get some chocolatey goodness going. Open. Yes. Nom 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 nom.
Okay.
Anyways.